Whoa.
You want to look that rough?
Not really.
Are you recording already?
Hell yeah.
Let me see that. Do I look bad?
Let me see. Just a hickey on your face.
You shouldn't have said that. Damn it.
Folks said it like it was real. Rash face ass girl.
I tried to make it be real. That's funny. Damn, you happy to record? Dang. Well, let me tell y'all a story about my life. Back in 91, I remember right. It was coming out the womb. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. I could have kept a serious ass face. You bogus.
It was funny though.
You know what I'm saying? I be getting chopped.
Okay, bitch, you could pass. How could you get a little too happy since the camera on you? You been blowing, bitch. The blunt almost gone.
Wait, one more hit. You bogus as a bitch. Don't do that shit. I have my lips on it. That's a hit, bitch.
Look at that motherfucker, dog.
Bitches always crying. Bitches blah, blah, blah. Oh, I still got coffee.
I was drinking that shit.
And you watch me drink it.
It just slowly but surely left.
Now I get back to my little game right quick. I can't even bust a move. Damn, white boy. What you want?
You finna tell us something?
That white boy, real suspect, yo.
You know what, sweetie? Usual suspects. Real definition of
Success.
no.
Don't you dare say a motherfucker.
We gonna give each other a shotgun. Y'all ready for this?
a lesbian. It's a hole in this motherfucker. Right there. Let's try this again.
Damn, I was all on your titties and shit. I can't put it that far in my mouth. Let me see what I'm looking at.
Just put it before, yeah. It's gonna be plenty smoke.
We crazy.
I got the blood. We got another one to smoke though. That's
Damn, I'm chopped.
I got a hair rush. My gay ass sitting here playing the game and shit.
I'm chopped.
Well, pass the Dutchie, my friend.
This shit all up in your face. Damn. You see that motherfucking tree spot? And that ugly ass nail. That motherfucking vicious.
Get off my
Let me
fingers,
stop.
bitch.
Let me stop. Look at me and shit. Oh, that's gone. Oh, how I yearn for your touch. Damn. It was a long one. Ooh. I feel high. Nose is running and shit. Feel like one of them little kids. Booger nose ass kids. Alright, let me put the blood out. You only rolled up one?
Yep. I've been really using that. We're gonna have to clean that off.
Blow that shit around.
Right.